We begin this evening with a tragedy that has rocked a family in Clarendon. While it will be a happy Christmas for many, the death of a 4-month-old baby has plunged the family into mourning as they try to piece together what really happened. The police in the parish are now investigating the incident. TVJ's Anthony Logg has more.
These toys were the last thing 4-month-old Alea Miller held in her hands as she took her last breath at her home in the Longville Park housing scheme in Clarendon on Saturday. It's still not clear how it all unfolded, but the grandmother, who was the last person to see the baby alive, shared what happened.
I went and I get dinner, we eat and drink. I thought she just asleep on the bed. When the mother for the child returned, and she said, where the baby, because she started to look for her, because that is what she do each night she come in. And when she looked, she said the baby dropped down in the hole there, so and she started screaming.
She said she rushed to pull the child from between the bed, but
when I see it, I pull up the baby, but she was already cold.
The child's father fought the tears as he described how he got the news.
When I heard, I just feel just surprised, because I think all a joke. I never really believe it's true. When we reach up and I see it, say baby really there.
And for the child's mother, she's now left with thoughts of what she had planned to do with her baby for the Christmas.
I was going to carry her out and buy her a Christmas suit, buy her ice cream and stuff like that.
Anthony Logg, TVJ News.